Hey guys, how you guys doing out there? As you can see from the picture I just put up right before the start of this video, my Apple Watch currently says I've worked out for a total of 34 minutes and I've been standing for a total of 9 hours. You know, when you get the notification, you go and you stand up from, of course, from your Apple Watch. This shows that you did stand up during that period of time for every hour towards your goal, towards your workout goal and everything else. Well, here's the thing, and I started noticing this yesterday, that there was some irregularities with my Apple Watch. I think since the update happened or whatever, but yesterday I really didn't do too much, and I was actually headed to my doctor's appointment. And what really grasped my attention was I'm sitting down in the doctor's office waiting to go to my doctor's appointment, and my watch goes off and says my exercise goal has been achieved. And I had not even worked out yesterday, and my plan was to go hit the pull-up bar for a while, to work out on my upper body and then do yoga for 30 minutes. But yet and still, off of not really doing much, I already hit 30 minutes of working out for the day, which didn't make any sense. How is that possible that I worked out when I didn't work out? Now today, I've been out driving all day. Well, this morning. Now I won't say all morning, but this morning I was out doing Uber and Lyft this morning. Just picking up some income, and I literally did not do anything else. I have not even been out of my car since I was driving. But yet, as you see from the picture that I'm showing, and you know what? I'm gonna splice just for the people who did not see it. I'm gonna put this picture right here. All right, I'm back, and as you can see, I have 34 minutes of working out, 9 hours of standing, and I have burned 429 calories for the day. Now, how is that possible, Apple? How is it that I have worked out for 34 minutes and I've been sitting in the car the whole morning? I literally put on my Apple Watch right before I walked out my house this morning and started driving, doing Uber and Lyft, and I have not been out the car. When I didn't have any rides, I was just sitting in the car. So are you guys just okay, so you're actually working out when you're just moving your arms, shifting, driving the steering wheel, shifting the gear shift or whatever else, guys? I think that you guys need to figure out what the heck you did wrong when you pushed the new update to the Apple Watch, guys, because now you're gonna have people out here that's out of shape thinking that they're really working out when they absolutely didn't do anything, guys, because the watch is lying to people, guys. It is lying to people, as you can see right there. Well, it went off again right there. And Siri's talking. That's another problem you have with the stupid watch. Shut up, Siri. I'm making a YouTube video about how crappy that Apple Watch is being right now since the new update. Can we please get Steve Jobs back? Really, can we please get Steve Jobs back, man? I know, rest in peace to Steve Jobs, but this is crap. This is total absolute crap that my watch is showing that I worked out for 34 minutes and I have not worked out yet. Now, I plan to go home and work out today. I actually have HIIT cardio I plan to do today for 30 minutes. But this is absolutely dog crap that my Apple Watch is showing that I worked out for 34 minutes and I haven't worked out at all. I haven't stood up for 9 hours or whatever else. I literally took the watch off of the dock and put it on my arm as I was walking out the door. I've been sitting in my car the whole time I've been away from the house. I'm about to get out the car now and go in Walmart to pick up my tires, but I've been in the car. So, Apple, what the hell is really going on? What's going on, guys? Anyhow, guys, you see the picture. You see what it is. I think the new update has literally just screwed up the Apple Watch, guys. If you are having the same problem, please comment below this video and let me know what's going on with your Apple Watch as well. Anyhow, this is Desmond in the Life and Times of Desmond. I want to just make this video about the problem I'm having with my Apple Watch. Hopefully they'll push a new update out and fix this. If they don't, then well, maybe I should have went with a Fitbit. Peace. I'm out.